Today we're going to show you how to run a sale with 360 payments in your software. So from the main menu, you want to click on Sale and then Open Orders. Then highlight the order that you'd like to charge and click Payment. Then in the payment type, you want to go down and type in a V for Visa. And then you can edit the received amount. If it's under the total amount, it'll prompt you to let you know that. Just click Yes. And then click Enter to submit. This will then light up the credit card terminal for the customer to enter their card. Once the customer has charged their card, it'll prompt for a digital signature. Customer signs and then accepts. This will then send that information back to the software, and you'll click Yes to save the token, and it's charged. Then that signature will also print on the invoice for the customer. Thanks for watching.